Hello, I'm Daniel from Blue White, and in this video, I'll review the time of day input for our S-Series chemical metering pumps. Time of day allows you to run the pump at a specific motor speed for a specific length of time, beginning at a specific time of day. To enable time of day, open the app drawer, select time of day, select settings to configure, output, runtime, and time of day that the pump will turn on. Confirm by pressing save. Time of day information will be displayed on screen. Verify the time of the pump is in sync with your local time zone. Note, the output will match the pump's current setting. To change it, start the pump, press the green output bar until the desired output is displayed. Stop the pump, select settings to adjust the desired output. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blue White Academy. For further questions or assistance, please reach out to us at customerservice@blue-white.com. And for more information, please visit blue-white.com.